The Woodies CCI indicator is provided for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 and run it on the charts. Also, traders can own this page to know whether or not the indicator has worked. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we execute the indicator. When the indicator is executed, an oscillator window opens at the bottom of the chart. This indicator easily displays the market trend by showing CCI values in the form of a histogram. The only important point is that as soon as the trend changes, the color of the CCI does not change, indicating a downward trend, which is green. The upward trend, which is orange, does not change quickly between these two. To confirm the trend, one must wait for 6 candles. And if the trend is confirmed, the color of the chart changes, showing the color of the 6th candle in red as a warning. Next to the CCI, there is an LSMA indicator and an EMA, which are displayed in green if the candle price is above the LSMA line or above the EMA line at the time of closing, and in red if it is below the LSMA line and below the EMA line, with the LSMA line being the upper line. The EMA line is considered the lower line. Additionally, when the LSMA bar changes color, meaning it shifts from green, uptrend, to red, downtrend, a sell signal is given to us. Conversely, when it changes from red, downtrend, to green, uptrend, it informs us of a buy signal. In the settings section, in the input section, there are options available for us. The first part relates to the display settings, which include a theme or a custom template for the indicator that has 3 sections: light, dark, and custom. By selecting the light option, a light template is applied to the chart. Choosing the dark option selects a dark template, and selecting the custom option retains your personalized template, executing only the indicator for the chart. The next section relates to the indicator settings, including the CCI period settings, and the trend stabilization line settings, which you can change from here, set by default to 6. You can also adjust the LSMA and EMA line periods from this section. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial, and we would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.